Are you receiving text messages on your iPhone, but you're not getting any notification, sound, or alert when a new message arrives? Or maybe notifications aren't showing up for just one person? In this video, I'm going to show you the settings I check to fix text message notifications not showing up on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, before changing anything, make sure your iPhone isn't in silent mode. If your iPhone is silenced, you may still see the notification, but you won't hear the notification sound. Also, if you already have the Messages app open and you're actively using it, your iPhone doesn't alert you for every new message in the normal way. Now, let's check the first important setting. Open the Messages app. Find the conversation you're not receiving notifications from. For example, let's say I'm getting messages from everyone else, but I'm not receiving notifications from this particular person. I'm tapping the conversation, and then I'm tapping the person's name or profile icon at the top. Here, look for Hide Alerts. If Hide Alerts is turned on, turn it off. When Hide Alerts is enabled, you'll see the Hide Alerts icon next to that conversation. Keep in mind, this only mutes this particular conversation. It doesn't turn off notifications for all your messages. Now, let's check the main Messages notification settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and tap Messages. Now check Allow Notifications and make sure it's turned on. From here, you can also customize where your Messages notifications appear and check your notification sounds. For example, if messages are arriving but you're not seeing anything on the lock screen, make sure the appropriate notification appearance options are enabled here. Next, check your filtered messages. On newer iOS versions, messages identified as spam or messages from unknown senders can be filtered into separate sections. Depending on your filtering settings, you may not receive normal notifications for these messages. So open the Messages app and check your unknown senders and spam sections. If you find the missing message there and you know the sender, you can mark that sender as known or move the message back to your regular conversations. Now, here's another useful option if you never want to miss a text from a specific person. Open the Contacts app. I'm selecting the contact I always want to receive alerts from and tapping Edit. Now I'm tapping Text Tone. Here, turn on Emergency Bypass. With Emergency Bypass enabled, sounds and vibrations from this contact can come through even when other notifications are silenced. And there's one more important thing to check if you have an Apple Watch. When you're wearing and using your Apple Watch, your message notification may appear on your Apple Watch instead of your iPhone. Normally, you're not going to get the same alert on both devices at the same time. To check this, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, and then tap Notifications. Find the app and check its notification settings. If you want your Apple Watch to follow the same settings as your iPhone, select Mirror My iPhone where that option is available. For apps with custom notification options, you may also see choices such as Allow Notifications, Send to Notification Center, or Notifications Off. So, if your text messages are arriving, but you're not seeing or hearing notifications, check these settings one by one. And here's a quick question for you. Are you missing notifications from everyone or just one person? Comment everyone or one person below. Also, mention your iPhone model if you're still having the problem, and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.